Hello guys, today I'll be showing you a review of the new Ipega 9069, I think. Yeah. So they call it the Wolverine wireless controller. Today we'll be looking at it, getting to know the specs. As you can see here on the table, I already have my GameStar T1X, which I've been using for a while, and it's been working very well. And I believe this GameStar is very much more expensive than this Ipega I'm reviewing today. So let's start the unboxing now. Good. So I think this is empty. Here we have the manual. This comprises of all the Ipega gamepads. All of them. We have them here. So sorry, I made a mistake. This is the Ipega PG 1999, not the 1969. Sorry, this is 1999. So here we have the controller. As I showed you, this is the manual. I think this is not even the manual. This is some kind of artifact, and this is the manual, the Ipega manual. You can see Ipega Wolverine Bluetooth game controller. This is English, and here we have Chinese. We read the Chinese book for you, English book. So that should be better. Here we have the charging cord, USB charging cord. And then we have the directional button. I think you can change, you can actually swap this. Yeah, you can swap this for this. Cool, right? So I think that's all we've got. Got the manual, got the USB cable, the stick, and then we have the Ipega gameplad. It's a little bit heavy. It's heavier than the GameStar T1X. It's heavier than the GameStar T1X, and what do I have to say about this? Well, I'll say I prefer the bumper buttons on the GameStar T1X, but I prefer the trigger buttons on the Ipega. So it's a win-win situation for me. I'll put this back here. This is the unboxing. Watch out for my next video where I'll be showing you properly how this gamepad works.